that I crush this. Kush driving my compass. Pull up with clouds floating. Smoking, my eyes closing. Potent cause
Five plain watches in my duffel. I got 20 freaks in my room. I got 20 freaks in my room. While I'm getting on massage in my room. I just went skiing with a bad bitch. I spent 20,000 on a jacket. I bought all the hitters on my ratchets. I just took a meeting out of Aspen. You get out of line, it's gonna be drastic. Take my dog a perky, made her happy. Put your hand on hers like an assassin. Running through the game in some Dallas. I just run the grain like Aladdin. She kept it low key, all the stabbing. I gave her more wood than a cabin. I hate if you love her, I'm gon' fuck her. Five plain watches in my duffel. I got 20 freaks in my room. I got 20 freaks in my room. While I'm getting on massage in my room. I just went skiing with a bad bitch. I spent 20,000 on a jacket. I bought all the hitters on my ratchet. 20 freaks at the embassy. I just pitched on 100 G's. Ace of spade when the lights off. Wrist moving like CB. Bought the lamb for the energy. Got your main at Top Golf. Check on me, roger that. Drake on me, roger that. Lean on me, roger that. Check on me, roger that. Check the word tenfold. Codeine endo. Wrist cost been the truck. Wrist cost been the truck. Had drugs on me, lot of rent. Then I hit the global lottery. Caught the speedboat and docked it. Leftovers in my pocket. I'ma take her like a rocket. I'ma hold this money hostage. I hate if you love her, I'm gon' fuck her. Five plain watches in my duffel. I got 20 freaks in my room. I got 20 freaks in my room. While I'm getting on massage in my room. I just went skiing with a bad T-Pain.
I got a fresh line up, yeah, a fresh outfit. But I had a parking lot on smash. Plus I got a Chevy with a 454 in the hood. That bitch got 125 on the dash.
I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far.
Cause it's just another day in the life of the goddamn boss.
I don't make love, baby, we make magic. Come home with a thug, let's get shit cracking. Always well, baby, cause shit happens. She leave the back seat, just a freak in the Magnum. Hopped out the Magnum, hopped in the tray, just to let the top back and thank God for the day. Who gives a fuck what a hater gotta say? I made a couple $1 million last year dealing weight. Still in the streets, strapped with them things. She in love with a G, so she tatted my name. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. 10 black Maybachs back to back in the lane. I'ma make it rain, then I'ma make it back. You are just a lame little homie, that's a fact. Working with the police, acting like you know me. Fresh out of jail, already in your OG.
Got a fresh line up, yeah, fresh outfit. But I had a parking lot on smash. Plus I got a Chevy with a 454 in the hood. That bitch got 125 on the dash.
I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far.
Cause it's just another day in the life of the goddamn boss.
T-Pain.
The boss, 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 the boss, 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 the boss, 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 the boss. The boss, 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 the boss. It's short straight digging me, and I ain't even rich. I know you niggas on the sideline like ain't that a bitch. I'm on my job, and I ain't getting off. Cause it's just another day in the life of the goddamn boss.
biggest boss that you seen thus far. Got the biggest car, Spanish bras, no bra. Call that other lane for the walks in the parks. I ain't come to play games, I just wanna play my part. Tell your girlfriend to come talk with my dog. We straight G's and we came hit a ball. Bottle at the bottle, and I'm sure you count them all. Then we off to that Chevy and taking off. Baby, slow it down, cause you're moving too fast. Yeah, it's too fine to be moving too fast. Back to the thuggin', now I'm sipping scissor. All my niggas love it, baby, that's my wizard. Sack for the jeans, 5 bones for the shizzer. I don't smoke 20 to 800 for the izzard. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. You can tell by the stones that's standing by the car.
Rolling down, riding with the homies, and you know that cops is on the corner, but you know that playing model safe, yeah, you know that blowing smiley faces, man, I feel so
out of this world, out of my mind. Slowly retracing these enemy lines. Step up to find I'm ahead of my time. Repping the city.